In this video, we are going to talk about few points that why people fail at digital marketing and how you can prevent that. Now, as the trend of online marketing is growing, everybody is trying to get their business online, and for that they are in a rush to do digital marketing. And that is one of the reasons that most of the small businesses fail at digital marketing. So if you are planning to take your business online and if you are planning to do digital marketing for that, then here are few points that you should take care and kind of reasons that why many small businesses fail at digital marketing. So let's start with the point number 1, and that is not having a professional website. Now, you might have a rockstar team for digital marketing, which is helping you creating content and doing paid ads. And now you are getting a lot of visitors on your website. But the problem is that your website is not very professionally designed. So what do you think will happen? People will start visiting your website, but as soon as they land on your website or your landing page, they came to know that the design is looking like back in 1990s and there is nothing interesting in the website design. So it's very important to have a rockstar digital marketing team. But before that, you need to make sure that you have a rockstar website designer, so that your website should look clean and professional. So make sure before you dive in the digital marketing for your business, make sure you have a proper designed, clean, professional website. Then comes the next point, that is bad copywriting. Now imagine a case that you have an online shopping website and you are doing paid ads and doing content marketing and everything to get the audience on your product pages. But because of the bad copywriting on that page, people will surely bounce back because they will find nothing engaging in that product page which will hook them to buy that product. And that is the job of copywriting. So while doing digital marketing, you need to make sure that you deal with people who can create an awesome copy of content for your website. Not just for e-commerce, this is applicable for all the businesses. If people visit your website and they don't get engaged in the first few seconds, then you already lost the customer. Then comes the next step, that is skipping SEO. Now SEO is not something that is done once the website is ready. SEO is something that need to be done from the very first day when you plan to create your website. There are various things that you need to do right from the very beginning, like image optimization, like category optimization, or maybe URL optimization. So there are various technical SEO aspects that you need to take care at the very beginning phase of your business. So when you start the digital marketing of your business, you should make sure that the basic SEO is already done so that once the website goes live, you get the best benefit of the SEO or the marketing that you will do. Next point is wrong social media. Now imagine an online business which is based on an app, and this app is dealing with Instagram stories and filters. Now if you are planning to do digital marketing of this app, will you do the marketing on LinkedIn or on Instagram? Obviously, you will do that on Instagram first and maybe a little bit of B2B stuff on LinkedIn. But your primary focus should be on Instagram and then Facebook and maybe some sort of stuff on LinkedIn. So it's very important to choose the right social media platform to promote your business online. Along with that, even if you choose the right social media platform, make sure you check what's trending on that platform, what type of content or what format of content you need to post. So all that can make or break your digital marketing strategy online. And then comes the last and the most important point, that is not capturing email ID. Now, if you are getting the digital marketing done correctly, you will start getting visitors on your website or on your landing page. But you are leaving the money on the table if you are letting those visitors go out of your website without even capturing their email address. Now, there are various ways by which you can capture their email ID, maybe by promoting a freebie or by using any lead magnet. And once you got the email address, now you can use that for paid ads or maybe an email sequence that you can send to pitch them for your product and services. But if you don't have a plan for email marketing and capturing email IDs of your visitors, then your digital marketing strategy is of no use. So these are some of the points that you should take care to make sure that you do not fail in your digital marketing strategy for your business. If you have any questions regarding digital marketing, then feel free to let us know in the comment section below and we will try our best to reply you as soon as possible. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.